Mr. Chairman, I was asking for, in the last hearing, we asked Attorney Tolentino about the documents pertaining to the 2022 ano, service, quiet mo ba? Service contract, invoices, and
Silence is requested. The Honorable Dan Fernandez is speaking.
yeah,
Yes.
and all of the official receipts that was issued by SMNI in relation to all your revenues collection, and at the same time the different schedule expenses that had been released by SMNI. Unfortunately, Mr. Chairman, when I read these documents that they have submitted just now, it only pertains to 2023 and not on 2022. Thereby, we will be having problem with what we have discussed recently. I hope that you're listening, Attorney Mark. Ano? So, can we kindly show yung issues that I am pertaining to? Siguro, yung pong 2022 kasi, tinanong ko na po ito nung last hearing. At tinanong po namin kung saan po nanggaling yung breakdown ng revenue po ninyo noong 2022. Kasi kumita po ang Suarosug ng 105 million noong pong 2022.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, ang sabi nyo, walang kinita ang pulso ng bayan doon, right? Walang sponsor. And the very reason why we cite Mrs. Badoy for lying is based on these revenues. And if we're going to move for a furlough, no, and not seeing in these documents those she mentioned in the last hearing pertaining to all those advertisers, we will be constrained to put her in the detention. Kasi nga, talaga nagsisinungaling siya. Dahil dito sa sinubmit nyo, I haven't seen Attorney Mark Tolentino. Wala akong nakita dito pertaining to the subject advertisers that she mentioned in the last hearing.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
we have no program Pulso ng Bayan, Mr. Chair.
Meron tayo morning pero
Only morning. Laban kasama ng bayan is the program of Badoy and kay Eric, not Pulso ng Bayan, Mr. Chair.
Okay, doon sa laban ng bayan, she mentioned ay 3 sponsors, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair, but based on my information, she has no personal knowledge with that, Mr. Chair.
So in other words, wala kayong sponsor doon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So she was lying indeed. Dahil sinabi niya meron, and you told us na wala.
Based
And that's
on
the reason why we cite her for contempt. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah,
Chair.
okay. So, in other words, kino-confirm pa rin ng mga dokumentong to na talagang wala na sponsor yung programa na kung saan siya ang host.
That's why I answered, Mr. Chair, in our last hearing, Mr. Chair, that there was no advertisement, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Okay. So, indeed,
So I
we were
tried to
correct in
uh,
us citing her for contempt.
I tried
Okay.
to correct, Mr. Chair, Dr. Lorraine, Mr. Chair, in her answer.
All right. Now, Attorney Tolentino, we asked for the documents sa 2023. Makikita po ninyo dyan, pakibalik lang yung slide. Kasi may revenue kayo ng 90 million, 105 million.
2022, Mr. Chair.
2022, oo. And trying to read yung inyo pong documents that were submitted, 13 contracts to na sinubmit nyo po ngayon. Total of 6.25 million ang totality nitong contract na to. So, if you're going to assess yung pong 2022, paano po kayo nag-arrive sa 90 million na revenue? Para lamang po sa inyo pong mga programa.
Based on my personal knowledge, Mr. Chair,
No, we're not asking your personal knowledge. What we're asking for is the documents that we asked in the last hearing. And precisely the reason why we asked for it, because we wanted to find out saan ang galing tong perang ito.
that's why, Mr. Chair, we will submit that within the day, Mr. Chair, with respect to the receipt,
Yes, you
Mr. Chair.
submitted is an agreement on 2023, not on 2022. We're asking for the 2022, 2021, but you gave us 2023. And today, paano namin, well, mabuti na lang, nabasa ko yung 13. Nakuha ko yung total, 6 point, ano lang, 6.25 25, meron kayong kontrata 100, 900, 135, total ng 6.25 million for the year 2023. We are talking about 2022.
Mr.
And the
Chair.
total ng 2022 is 105 million. Explain to us, yan ang sinasabi ko. Explain to us the scheduled expenses and revenue that you have undergone. Kasi hindi po natin mako-comprehend kung saan ang galing tong perang to. And as long as you are keeping those documents, there is a presumption that this money came from a polluted source. Give us the benefit of the doubt that that does not come from a polluted source.
Yes, Mr.
Otherwise, we will be construed to think that this is something that came from that.
Mr. Chair, the best person to answer that is our CFO, Mr. Chair.
Who is the CFO?
Miss Bing Ayon, Mr. Chair.
Here.
Is she here?
Miss Bing, andito po kayo. Please reply. Andito po siya. Kayo din po.
Mr. Chair, unfortunately, she tested positive for COVID yesterday,
Mr. Chairman,
and there was a letter.
So, okay.
it seems that you are evading this kind of questioning regarding the source of your revenue. And we really don't want to mention words that is so hurtful. Dahil kung titingnan mo to at bibigyan nyo kami ng agreement like this, 13 agreements na hindi nagmamatch doon sa 90 million o sa 105 million per se, it's hard for us to analyze. Di ba? And even the BIR, they are basing your taxable amount based on your audited financial statement. They are not basing on the detailed Kasi detalye ang hinihingi namin, but you're not giving us the detailed. And we cannot really compute even your salaries. Yung production tingnan niyo yung program and production expenses nyo ng 2022, nag-jump siya ng 15 million. Explain to us.
Mr.
Saan
Chair.
nagpunta yung pera, saan nyo ginamit yung perang yan from 1.3, suddenly nag-jump kayo ng 15 million.
Mr. Chair, I just received with me, Mr. Chair,
Yes.
the Suarezug Media Corporation's sales journal, Mr. Chair. Can I submit this to the Honorable Committee, Mr. Chair?
O yan, kaya nga, the same thing, isasubmit nyo ngayon. Paano ko na mababasa yan? Hindi na ako magtatanong. So, anyway,
received it
isubmit
today,
nyo na
Mr.
rin po sa amin. So, magiging basis na rin po namin yan. And can we ask the BIR? Andito naman po ang BIR, yung RD79, please. Hindi, wala nga raw yung CFO nila eh.
Okay.
We have invited the CFO
You know,
in the last
CFO
hearing. The
was,
CFO is
we-
not here.
Attorney, I mentioned the CFO last hearing. The records and the
She
video
is
will bear
willing
me
to
out.
come here, Mr. Chair, but
She's sick.
we receive a...
Okay, can we have her
medical-
medical certificate? Please
I
submit
have
to the
with me.
committee. Thank you.
Hindi, we asked na lang
Okay.
the chairman, yung presidente. Sino ba presidente? Probably may knowledge
Presidente,
po sila.
kaya niyo pong sagutin yung tanong.
Sige,
Sir,
sir.
Mr. Rosete, sagutin niyo po yung tanong ni Congressman Dan Fernandez.
Sir, tanong lang po namin muna doon sa 105 million. From 2021, 45, tapos suddenly nag-jump kayo ng 105 million. Ano po yung mga sponsor that you got for the programs that you have produced? Ano-ano po yung malalaking mga sponsor that you have contracted with?
Okay. With all due respect, Mr. Chair, I will answer the question with according to my knowledge only. 2022 po is election period po. Marami pong pumasok na political ads. Meron po kami mga EVPs. Meron pong, yung time na yun po, hindi pa po nati-take down yung social media na kung saan nag-i-income din po. At yung tanong po ni Honorable Congressman Dan Fernandez about sa expenses po, lumaki po siya, nag-jump off po ng hanggang 15 million dahil po nag-sponsor po ang SMNI News Channel ng pinaka magandang debate sa buong Pilipinas. 4 po yun na debates. Wala po yung bayad sa lahat ng pumasok doon. Mahal po ang Okada. So doon po napunta ang mga expenses. Hanggang doon lang po ang alam ko po na mga Mr. Chair.
Okay, salamat po. How about the commission? Kasi meron akong nakita rito, 2.6 million yung commission. Parang, hindi ko alam ano pa itong commission na to.
Kasi po, meron pong nag-sponsor, tapos meron po silang agent.
So yun ang commission nila.
May commission po
Punta
sila.
tayo sa susunod na page. Tingnan lang po natin yung susunod na slide. Pero submit to us, to all the documents pertaining doon sa expenses nyo for the salaries
Yes po,
program
Mr. Chair.
and production expense.
Opo.
Dito lang, medyo napansin ko lang yung advertising and promotion nyo. Meron kayong ginastos na 12.1 million. Samantalang ng 2021, 810 lang yung ginastos nyo. So what is this 12.1 million sa advertising and promotions niyo? Do you advertise SMNI? So gumagamit pa po kayo ng advertisement and promotion for this purpose? What is this all about?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po masagot yung exact na tanong po.
Okay.
Kasi wala pa akong...
Yung sa fuel and oil naman po ninyo, konti lang naman to, Mr. Chairman. Fuel and oil, nag-jump siya suddenly from 2.6 to 7.9 million. Do you have other source of transportation like helicopter or
No
jet?
po, kasi po, nung time na yon nagkaroon po kami ng additional na marked vehicle po para sa...
Pero, Mr. Chairman, no, yung gantong kalaki na jump from 2.6 to 7.9 is not believable kung gagamitin nyo po lamang ay mga vehicle na ordinary sasakyan. That is not possible with this, no? Well, I'm just saying, ano? So submit us to us as well yung mga lahat po ng receipt. Well, actually, job yan ng BIR. I think the BIR
Yes.
should issue a letter of authority to start the investigation on submit of getting all these documents. Huh? Wala BIR? Again? We asked them twice, right?
No, this is the first time we invited.
At once, okay. So, sir, yun lang po, pagdating po dito sa, pagdating po sa, sa business expense nyo, suddenly nagkaroon po kayo ng business expense. What is this also? Yung 3 point something. Ayan, makikita mo nyo sa business expense po ninyo. Meron kayo dyan bigla kayo nagkaroon ng 3.2 something there eh. Ano po ba yan?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, talagang hindi ko po alam yung...
All right. I think, Mr. Chair, the problem is the submission of all these documents, ano? So we will be asking na lang po siguro to ask the BIR para at least masimpina lahat ng mga documents. If we are having a hard time for the SMNI to submit to us all these documents, I think it's incumbent upon the authority that was given to BIR to issue a LOA, no? Para sa ganun po makita po natin yung mga documents na to. I don't know what to do with this, Mr. Chairman. We're having a hard time trying to figure it out. Kung paano po namin may babalansi po yung mga revenues nyo and mga expenses ninyo. But there will always be a presumption, no, that this money is being used in here are coming from a different kind of sources. So, debunk us. I-debunk nyo po kami para at least we will be thinking that this money came from a source that is good, not a bad source. Kasi nga, yun ang magiging presumption po namin dito eh. Hanggang hindi nyo po ipinakikita sa amin itong lahat ng ito, hindi po natin malalaman kung saan yung revenue nyo sa kaya expenses nyo. Am I right, attorney?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yan. So, one more thing, Mr. Chairman, no? Yung Bampibus po na Capital Holdings Incorporated, kasi what is the primary purpose of this holding company?
Sino?
Sige. Okay. Second round? Gagalit na si Migs. Okay. Okay, so with the indulgence of of my colleagues here, siguro i-reserve ko na lang po yung katanungan sa susunod na lang po at
Ng BIR.
nagsalita na si
Yes.
si chairman and with respect to our sponsor na resolution, so I'll be heading to the next line of questioning in the next round. Maraming
Yes.
po salamat, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much,
And,
Honorable
again,
Fernandez.
sana po may submit na po finally sa atin. No? We're giving them another week para isubmit po lahat yung documents.
Thank you very much.
Ha?
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
We will
Thank
be calling you again.